Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg Maggi. First, let's gather our simple ingredients for this delicious meal. You'll need 2 packs of Maggi noodles and 1 large egg. Also, have 1.5 cups of water and a small amount of cooking oil ready. Don't forget to keep the Maggi Tastemaker sachets close by for the next steps. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 1 teaspoon of cooking oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once the oil is warm, add 1.5 cups of water and bring it to a rolling boil. Carefully break the 2 Maggi noodle cakes into the boiling water. Let them cook for about 2 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly before the next step. It's time to add the star ingredient. Gently crack 1 egg directly into the simmering noodles. Stir the egg lightly, just enough to break the yolk, and mix it with the noodles. Immediately add both Maggi Tastemaker sachets. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices are well distributed throughout the dish for maximum flavor. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the noodles are perfectly tender and the liquid has mostly absorbed, creating a rich, flavorful sauce. Serve your hot egg Maggi immediately for the best taste. Garnish with fresh cilantro if you like. This quick and easy meal is perfect anytime. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.